And the race is on. Madam Leonora, fast to begin, rushing up is Mokai. In between runners, Atoy for asking. Aljun is racing in port by Daral, running in pivotal King's Crown. An executive order is the early trailer. Madam Leonora by some 2 lengths, followed by Atoy for us, and racing in third by Daralis King Aljun Mokai. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Madam Leonora by a length and a half, followed now by King Aljun. And on the outside is Mokai. In between runners, Atoy for us. Pivotal is racing by the executive order, and King's Crown is now running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Madam Leonora is still leading by a length and a half. Mokai is on the outside. Atoy for us. King Aljun is racing by the pivotal executive order. Rounding the far turn, Madam Leonora is still hanging to that half-length lead. And on the outside, Mokai. King Aljun is racing by Daral as they race the final corner. Madam Leonora by a length and a half. Mokai from the outside. King Aljun is running in the middle and hitting the last 150 meters more to run. King Arjun, Mokai is on the outside. Mokai, King Arjun, King Arjun, Mokai, King Arjun this time by a length and a half. And finally, King Arjun, Mokai. Madam Leonora, pivotal executive order, Atoy for us, and King's Crown.